Hello everyone, I am Tejinder Singh Sabharwal from IC College of Hotel Management. आज हम बात करेंगे फ्रेंच culinary टर्मिनोलॉजी के एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म के बारे में, डे पू। ये नाम थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लग सकता है, लेकिन डेपूये इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल किचन टेक्निक। What does dépouiller mean? In classical French cooking, dépouiller refers to the process of removing impurities, scum, foam, or unwanted matter from the surface of a cooking liquid, especially stocks, broths and sauces. सिंपल इंग्लिश में, जब आप स्टॉक बना रहे हो और सरफेस पर फोम, स्कम या इम्प्यूरिटीज कलेक्ट हो जाती हैं, तो उनको केयरफुली रिमूव करना इज कॉल्ड डेपूये। व्हाई इज इट इम्पॉर्टेंट? स्टूडेंट्स, आप सोच रहे होंगे, सर थोड़ा फोम है, इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। इफ इम्प्यूरिटीज आर नॉट रिमूव्ड, द स्टॉक कैन बिकम क्लाउडी, लेस क्लियर एंड लेस रिफाइंड इन अपीयरेंस एंड फ्लेवर। A professional chef wants clean flavor, clarity, and a refined final product. How is it done? When bones, meat, or other ingredients are simmered, proteins and impurities rise to the surface and form scum or foam. The chef uses a skimmer, ladle, or suitable utensil to carefully remove this material. Don't stir it back into the stock. Remove it gently from the surface. For example, while preparing white chicken stock, impurities may rise as the bones and ingredients cook. The chef continuously monitors the stock and removes the scum while maintaining a gentle simmer. The objective is simple: a clean and clear stock. Why a gentle simmer? Students, this is very important. When clarity is desired, stock should generally be cooked at a gentle simmer rather than a violent boil. Why? Because aggressive boiling can disperse fat and impurities throughout the liquid. And then your beautiful clear stock can become cloudy. So remember, gentle simmer, regular skimming, clean stock. Dépouiller versus skimming. You may ask, sir, isn't this simply skimming? They are closely related. Skimming is the practical action of removing material from the surface. Dépouiller is the classical French culinary term used for removing scum or impurities from a preparation. So, in a professional kitchen, you may hear skim the stock. But in classical culinary terminology, you should understand dépouiller. Final message. Students, professional kitchen में small details matter. आपने excellent stock बनाया, ingredients perfect हैं, cooking perfect है, लेकिन अगर impurities remove नहीं की, तो final result compromise हो सकता है. Skim properly, cook gently, and respect the technique. So, my dear students, dépouiller means removing scum, foam, and impurities from the surface of a cooking liquid, especially stocks and broths. It may look like a small step, but small steps create professional results. This is Tejinder Singh Sabharwal from ICE College of Hotel Management. Remember, a great chef doesn't ignore the small details, because perfection is built from those details. Keep learning your culinary terminology, keep practicing your basic techniques, and remember, master the basics before you try to master the extraordinary. Thank you. Stay precise, stay professional, and keep cooking.